We're going to be introducing you to some of our shelter dogs and cats, like Miss Stella here, who are often the last to be adopted due to some special needs they may have or being seniors. And they often have so much love to give, just like the younger ones do. Thank you to Tri-City Subaru for partnering with us. And if you're interested in this little lady, her name is Stella. She's 7 years old, and she is looking for a home, and she's the only pet. But as you can see, she's very sweet and would make a wonderful companion. Mama Bear, say hi. Mama Bear's 3 3/4 years old. She's very affectionate, a very independent young lady. She will seek out your attention. And as you can see, she loves to be pet. She's purring her little heart out right now. Mama Bear is on a special diet. We are currently feeding her selected protein, and that's due to a mouth condition that she had come in with. Very painful gums, and we've removed quite a few teeth. And she is feeling much better now and gulps up all her food. She's just the sweetest kitty, and she'll make a wonderful companion. She would be okay with another kitty. She's never been around dogs before. And as far as children, maybe 12 and up, just a respectful children that will give her her space when she wants it. But she will make a great addition to anybody's home. Hi, sweetie. Yeah. So here we have sweet Fluffy. She is 15 years old, and Fluffy has gone through a lot of changes in her life, and she's going to need a really quiet home with a very patient owner, someone that will let her come out of her shell on her own pace. She really enjoys her Temptations treats. She's very food motivated, actually. And she's just a very sweet, shy girl who's just waiting for the right person to come along. I'm going to come out. So she would need a home with no other cats or dogs and no children. It would be too overwhelming for her. Here we have beautiful Sunny. He is 3 1/2 years old. He does want to be the only kitty, no dogs, and no small children. Sunny is an absolute love, as you can see. Oftentimes he'll come up and put his paws on our shoulders and wants to be held. Sunny is currently on an antidepressant to help him with his anxiety, and that is something that he will need to be weaned off of. And so while he's on that, we've been just giving him a special diet of gastrointestinal food just to keep his tummy feeling good. Otherwise than that, he's very healthy. And as I said, he is a very sweet boy. He'll make a great companion. He just wants to be in your lap. Oh, buddy. So here we have Sasha. Sasha is 9 years old. She was surrendered to the shelter a while ago because her owner had severe allergies. She is a very sweet girl, but very shy and independent. And she'll do best in a home where she's the only animal, no other cats, no dogs, and no children, because she can get a little startled. Just need a patient owner that's going to give her the time she needs to come out. But once she does, she's actually a really sweet kitty. She just needs a lot of patience and time. Oh, good girl.